How's it going, everybody? Today we are talking about an important and common question that I get when it comes to cyber liability insurance, and that is, will my cyber liability insurance policy cover ransom payments? Thank you for stopping by. My name is Brian Gutowski. I'm an independent insurance agent based here in the state of Michigan, Metro Detroit specifically, and I work with businesses on their commercial insurance programs, as well as helping families and individuals with their personal insurance, their home, their auto insurance as well. My goal with this channel is to pass on a little bit of educational information to you so that you can make more informed decisions around your insurance, whether that's for yourself, your business, or your family, and overall help answer any questions that you might have. So let's get into it. Ransomware attacks are becoming more and more common nowadays, and the impacts that they can have on businesses are devastating. When hackers lock you out of your system and demand a ransom to restore access, your operations can truly come to a complete standstill. So will your cyber liability insurance policy pay that ransom to restore access? The short answer is yes, but it depends on the policy. A comprehensive cyber liability insurance policy will typically cover the cost associated with a ransomware event, including the ransom payments. It will also include expenses like legal fees, notification costs to impacted clients, customers, or business partners, data recovery expenses, and even public relation efforts to help manage the potential fallout after the incident. The right policy will help you respond quickly, minimize your system downtime, and get your business back up and running. In addition to covering the ransom payment, a good cyber liability policy will also include coverage for investigating the attack and, again, restoring any lost or stolen data. This will help ensure that you are complying with legal and regulatory requirements during the incident, which can vary on the state level and federal as well. And also, depending on the business and industry that you're in, there might be certain governing bodies that have legal and regulatory compliance requirements as well. Another important point to note is that when you work with a good, financially strong insurance company as your cyber liability insurance carrier, they will also provide access to resources and support, legal and negotiation experts to help manage the process with the hackers and handle that negotiation process for the ransom securely. This adds an extra layer of protection for you, the policyholder, and is also advantageous to the insurance company because now they have a financial interest to make that ransom payment as low as possible. A good policy will also include the post-incident public relation efforts. There could be fallout, there could be bad media attention. Having a good policy in place can help with the expenses of these public relation efforts as well. But another important point to note is that not all cyber policies are created equal. Some policies will not have adequate coverage in these areas, so it is very important to understand what you are and are not covered for. If you don't have the proper coverage in place, you could be paying some of these expenses out of pocket and having to deal with the negotiation and legal process on your own. And some policies even have exclusions, or certain coverages are sublimited, so you will have a very limited amount of coverage in areas and can run out easily if it is a pretty severe attack. So overall, yes, the right cyber liability insurance policy can help pay the ransom in the event of a ransomware attack, and it is very important to know and understand what your cyber liability insurance policy does and does not cover. Thank you for watching, and if you are looking for help with your cyber liability insurance, commercial insurance in general, I would love the opportunity to work with you and see if our team can help. There are a lot of ways to get a hold of me, and they should all be in the description below. Please feel free to text, call, email, reach out on social media, whatever is easiest. And if you have any questions about insurance, cyber, commercial, personal, whatever it may be, I would love to help answer those as well. So thank you again.